today we're going to do an inquiry project on internet searching. We are going to look up pi. There are several things that we need to think of when we're doing an internet search. We need to make sure that we stay focused, that we don't get distracted by the online ads, or that we don't click so many hyperlinks that we get off of our main purpose. So our project today is that we're supposed to find at least 5 facts about pi and make a presentation about it. So if I were to start and just type in pi, let's see what will come up. One thing we have to think about with the sites that we use is whether they are valid or not. So Wikipedia can have really good information, but sometimes it has false information. So let's see what else is out there. This looks like a movie. It's pretty interesting that they would make a movie about pi. It's not really going to fit into the project that we're doing right now, but pi must be really important if they made a movie. Pi to the 1 millionth place, that sounds really cool, but I don't think I really need to know the 1 millionth digit of pi for this project. So as I kind of scan down the sites that are listed, I come down here, and this is a math site. It says math.com, and this looks like a very mathematical definition of pi, and it's using the word circumference and diameter like we used in class today, so this is probably a good place to start. When I get to the site, I see that it's got the history of pi. I bet that's going to tell me who discovered it, when it discovered, maybe multiple people discovered it. I'm not sure. When I see a site like this, I need to check my information with other sites to see if there's any contradictions. So if this is telling me who discovered pi or when it was discovered, maybe I want to ask one of those questions. So when was pi discovered? And see if any of these sites match with what I found in the first site. While I'm doing my search, I need to keep in mind several things. I need to make sure I'm not getting distracted. I need to make sure that the information that I'm reading is making sense to me, that I'm actually processing it, that I'm taking notes down and thinking about important things that I'm going to need to share with my classmates in my project. I need to make sure that the sites I'm using are valid, that they're math sites. So as you're going through this project, I want you to think not only about the math of learning what pi is, but I want you to think about what are some good things to do when we're searching for things online. I can't wait to see your guys' projects.